Hi everybody, it's Ginger Gamer 89 and about to go and do I believe it's a hunt, and I'll show you in a minute once it's loaded which one I'm going for.
Might want to stock up on potions and stuff.
Nice. You're being helpful for a change.
What do you mean for a change?
Right, I'll show you which one I'm going after on these quests. It's this one here. Howling Wind of Hunger. Needs to be in Hammerhead.
Wanna come shopping with me, big guy?
You just need to follow this way all the way over here. This one is literally like right at the beginning of the game.
One would expect no less of Bevez to the crown.
I'll miss it once this road trip's over with.
There's no reason you can't pay them a visit anytime you please. I'm sure Cindy will be glad to look after your car. Oh, right.
So, that's what this is about. If you need, I could always lend you the regalia.
Whoa! Thanks for the offer, but once we're back in the Crown City, I think I better squirrel my own wheels.
I'm going all out. Just don't get too careful. Sure want to talk.
Oh yeah!
And there's that one. Now you just have to go back to the place that you actually got the hunt from, and it's back in Hammerhead. I'll show you whereabouts in Hammerhead. Just in this diner here. Just talk to him.
You boys eating your fill? No surprise.
And there's that hunt completed. And that's what you get for completing that hunt. I'll be doing some more in another video. So I'll literally be doing it in about 2 minutes time. So hopefully keep watching and you'll find out where these hunts are and how to kill them. Thank you for watching and goodbye.